Heartbeat AI is the best AI software just released, and if you're curious about how it can elevate your digital marketing efforts, keep watching, because there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Heartbeat AI is the tool you've been waiting for. First, let's talk about its primary feature. Heartbeat AI allows you to supercharge your marketing strategies using predictive analytics. It doesn't just track data, it predicts future trends and suggests actions that can give you a competitive edge. This is huge for anyone serious about staying ahead of the curve in today's fast-paced digital landscape. Now, what's interesting about Heartbeat AI is how it automates customer segmentation. Gone are the days of manually creating segments based on basic demographics. Heartbeat AI analyzes your customer behavior in real time, segmenting them based on how they interact with your content, making your marketing more targeted and effective. This saves time and dramatically increases conversion rates. It's one of the most powerful tools I've seen for streamlining marketing efforts. Another key aspect is the AI-driven content creation tools. If you're struggling with creating content that resonates with your audience, Heartbeat AI steps in to generate copy that speaks directly to your target market. It analyzes your existing content, learns from your past successes, and then creates fresh, compelling material, all tailored to boost engagement and drive sales. Heartbeat AI also offers advanced reporting features. While other AI tools give you data, Heartbeat AI translates that data into actionable insights. You can easily track performance, see what's working, and get suggestions for optimizing your campaigns. This is perfect for anyone looking to make data-driven decisions without spending hours analyzing raw numbers. One of the standout features is its customer journey mapping. With Heartbeat AI, you can track every touchpoint a customer has with your brand and map out their entire journey. This means you can create personalized experiences at every stage of the funnel, improving customer retention and lifetime value. For those concerned with integration, Heartbeat AI makes it easy to connect with your existing tools and platforms. Whether you're using email marketing software, CRMs, or other automation tools, Heartbeat AI integrates seamlessly, saving you time and effort during setup. You don't have to overhaul your entire system just to get started. Finally, Heartbeat AI is built for scalability. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, this software grows with you. Its flexibility means it's not just for one type of business or one type of marketing strategy, making it a great long-term investment. If you're new to AI and looking to level up your marketing game, Heartbeat AI is definitely worth exploring. And here's the best part. You can try it for free with the link below, so you can see firsthand how it can change the way you do business. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and I can confidently say Heartbeat AI is one of the most innovative ones I've come across. In the description, I've also listed my recommended AI tools that you can try for free, each carefully selected after testing them for their effectiveness and ease of use. If you found this review helpful, make sure to check out the link below and explore Heartbeat AI for yourself. It could be the game changer you've been looking for.